Alright, so this is the unboxing video for the Razer Man-O-War wireless headset. Let's go ahead and open this. It's got Velcro on the sides there, which is kind of interesting. That's kind of nice to keep the box good, and you can put the headset back in there if you choose to sell it in the future or something. Got plastic protection there. Let's go ahead and just take this whole thing out. So there it is, there's the headset, and it looks like a USB extension right there. I believe the actual, well, let's see if I can get these out. I believe the receiver is right there, so it can be easily taken with the headset. All right, so this is the last part of this. Looks like it's got a quick start guide, manual, warranty information, customary Razer sticker set. I love to put that on all their equipment. And a micro USB adapter. Okay, so that's it.